Hey, yo, Ren, turn that up.
Day 07 Suburban, close as here. 07 Suburban, double den, radio installation. Just bring some extra to the channel. We done already sold a couple of them cars. I got like 2 of them joints left, but you already know what to do. Stay tuned, hit that like button, subscribe, share these videos, get the word out. We over here getting busy. Oh. You said a 7? Yep. Ready to go. Right, all we need. Oh. So, basically, take the little wood grain cover off. Got some 7 millimeters under here. I guess you would screw them joints off. We finna find out. Cut you back on.
This ain't it, is it?
You probably, yeah, you damn can take that off. Let me see. Unscrews all them little screws, and everything slid back out. Still got all the controls that's gonna go back in. When you get your radio mounted. Pick up one of these joints, it's gonna cost you about $70. Wiring harness. Got everything you need in there. Connect these two to the factory connections. Drop this joint in here. So once you got this connected, yeah. So once you got it connected, you got all these right here. They color coordinated to match the harness that come out the back of the radio. All I'm about to do, match the colors, tape them up, and connect the radio. We should have a radio. Touchscreen double D. Easy work. Not too hard. Stay tuned. I'm gonna turn that joint on one time. Got power. Got sound. We got GPS. This only part 1. We waiting on the harness, the mount bracket to come in the mail. So stay tuned, like, comment, share, subscribe. You got any questions, comment below. I will be happy to answer. Peace.
Hey, yo, Ren, turn that up.